Hi, my name is Chase Deng. This is my 112 term project, and I call it Rapid Bird 112. Basically, it's a running game, kind of like Flappy Bird. So now we can start the game. Okay, now we're in the start screen. We can click this play to start to play the game, or just go into the instruction. First, we go into the instruction screen. Basically, it teaches you how to play the game. Actually, the game logic is pretty simple. We just use up or W key, or just left click the screen to leave the bird. The goal is to leave as long as you can. And we can pause anytime. We can turn off or turn on the music at any time. Let's go to the start screen and start to play the game. And now we're playing the game, and the first thing I want to do is turn off the music because it's too loud. Okay, now we turn off the music. Actually, we can turn on the music at any time if we want. As you can see, the basic functionality of the game is jump and collision. Here I managed to realize the gravity jump in the game. Like there is a gravity existing in the game, so the movement of the bird looks more natural, as you can see. And the jump frequency of the bird is actually based on the click intensity or keyboard pressing intensity. Let's restart the game. Sorry. And as you can see, if I click faster, the bird jump faster. Okay, as you can see. So another basic functionality is the collision. For the collision detection, if the bird run into the pipe or just touch the bottom of the screen, the game is over. As you can see, if I run into the pipe, the game is over. If I touch the bottom of the screen, the game is also over. After the game is over, we go into the game over screen. On the game over screen here, you can see there are scores, current scores, and the best score in your history. Here are two choices: to restart the game or to go back to the start screen. Here we just restart the game. We just introduced the basic functionality, but actually the game is more complicated. We can look at the pipes. The pipes are actually wrapped around again. So it means if the pipes disappear from the left edge, it will be eliminated and regenerated on the other side. Distance between two adjacent pipes remain the same, but the position of gaps between two pipes randomly change every time. To make the game more interesting, the game actually becomes faster and faster after a certain amount of time, so that the player will not feel boring because of the constant pace of the game. Let's restart the game. So let's just play and see the change of the speed and difficulty. Here, obviously, the speed of the bird become faster and faster. Actually, I set several levels of the speed. What's more, gaps between pipes also become smaller and smaller with increasing time. If players are really good at the time at the game, the difficulty of the game would be even higher. Actually, if players keep playing for enough time, some stars start to fall from the top of the screen. If the bird runs into the stars, the game is over. In addition, the game will record the history performance of the player. So if players do well in last several tries, Next time the game will start with a faster initial speed. Let's see it. Um, just now we got a score of 31. It's pretty good score. It's a pretty good score. So let's start the game and see what happened. As you can see, the game speed become faster at the initial stage, and the fallen stars even appear at the beginning of the time. So the game can remember the history performance of the player, and give them the corresponding difficulty. Okay, basically that is my term project of 112. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.